I hear one.
There's gotta be another tape in here.
Here it is, right there on the on the fucking big fucking whatever this is. What is this? What the fuck?
Okay, go straight ahead. Go straight ahead.
I'm gonna miss 4-0.
I haven't seen that creepy fucker in a while.
Where's he? 4-0. He's dead.
Oh my god, there's another giant green dick.
What is it?
God, he's dead?
Like alien shit.
Ow! What the fuck?
Hurts. We can't get near it.
Fuck is that?
I don't know.
Oh god.
How do you know Scotty's dead?
I don't know, but.
Go away from the green dick region. Just run.
Get out of the gooch.
Go to the right. Go to the right, Forrest. Go to the right.
Alright. I'm so scared.
I'm so glad I have faith.
He's in there.
Run in here.
Oh my god, you left me, bitches! Oh, there you are.
There he is. You made her way over here. Oh, it's a dead end anyway. We gotta go your way. Your way. I'm just waiting to come around the corner like with Delirious in the lead, and then he just fucking dies.
I don't know if that
Instead of being scary, it's just fucking hilarious.
Whoa, my light's cutting off. It's flickering off. What's going on? My fucking flashlight's flickering on and off.
Scotty said he can't yell anymore. This was 5 minutes ago.
Wait up.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Did we lose him? Had to have lost him. I wonder if he's dead yet.
Oh,
fuck! He's to the left. Go.
Oh, okay, alright.
Wait up, you speedy bastard.
Look how he just walked. Look at his hand.
He's there!
I didn't even see him.
Oh god.
How did he fucking get there so quick?
Fucking
Fuck
green
this
dick.
guy.
He's teleporting with green dick.
We've already been to this place. We're not gonna find any fucking things in here.
Fuck. Alright. How about we go this way? We didn't go this. Alright. No, we came from that way, didn't we?
No, we didn't. We came from the way we're coming now. We need to go straight.
Alright. We started off with 4 and now we have 3.
Fuck, dude. Fuck.
I want to hurry up and die. I don't like it.
God.
I'm scared, man.
I hear
Fuck out of
growling.
my way. I'm running. I'm scared.
Look at Delirious' eyes.
Why? Why is he just gonna spawn right there? Why? Is he right here? Is he on the right side right here?
I hear him
Is he
growling.
right here? Just creeping? Hey, okay.
Are we going towards where he was?
I don't know. I just want to see if he's still there.
Let's fucking poke him in the
I
ass.
want to see if he's still there. I want to see. Okay, he's not.
Delirious is dumbass. Yeah. I want to see if he's still there.
Oh god, he's there. Don't turn around. Oh god, green.
Motherfucker, he's there.
He disappeared.
He's green dick as well. So.
He disappeared.
I want this last tape, but I also just want to hurry up and die.
How many tapes is there?
How many more tapes do we need?
We need 3 more.
Oh shit!
For fuck's sakes.
Alright, we got the one in there. We don't need the one in there.
Watch out for the green dick.
Green dick.
No, that's a
above
green
us,
dick.
yeah. Alright, so.
I hear the growling to our
Oh,
right.
he's behind us! He's behind us!
Oh, fucking shit! Run!
Oh my god. We have no choice. We have. Oh my god. Look, he's hiding behind a pillar!
If he spawns in...
He's hiding behind a pillar.
God. Oh,
if he spawns in front of me right now, I'm gonna fucking shit myself.
Yeah, we're fucked if he's right here. We're fucked. Alright, well,
oh god,
we've
I
already
hear
been that way.
Been in there.
We've already been that way.
Yeah, we've been
Go
there.
straight.
Fuck that shit.
I'm shutting off my fucking flashlight.
Alright, we got bloody feet, guys. Bloody feet.
There's a green dick.
Green dick. I think that's a good sign.
Stay.
Oh, fuck. I'm running at him! Oh, he got me! He got me!
Did he?
I'm
Oh
dead!
god, he's so close.
Evan!
close.
Evan! He's chasing
Stay
us!
at the wall, stay
Run,
at the wall,
Evan!
stay at the wall.
He's gonna get me!
Stay.
I don't wanna die.
I died. I'm spectating you guys
I
now.
don't wanna die.
Oh my god.
I just saw him and charged at him. I'm like, fuck it, YOLO.
Wait up for me, you fucker.
Oh, look at it! Look at Tyler!
Oh god, he's right there, he's right behind you,
Look
he's
at
right behind
Tyler!
Where? I don't see it. Oh my god.
Ghost.
What's up, bitches?
I'm done, dude. I got green shit. I got green shit. I got green shit. I got green shit. Stay away from him.
Hey,
I'm gonna die.
where you at?
Get
Come
away
on!
from Tyler.
Hey,
Oh no, that's a green dick. Green
hey,
dick.
come on, come on, come on, come on. Right here. This way, Evan.
Are you with Tyler?
No,
Come on.
I'm with you.
I'm running right next to you guys.
This is
Straight
me.
up.
You're the red-headed bitch, aren't you? Yeah, okay.
Glad you could join us again, Tyler.
Yeah, man, this is a lot less scary this way. Everything's lit up,
Really?
pretty much.
Go find the thing
I just
for
see
us.
you guys. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna fucking troll you. If he's to the right, I'm gonna say he's to the left. Or opposite,
Shit,
I
the
mean.
green. Oh my god, the green thing's
green
gonna
dick,
kill me.
don't do it.
Oh, it's behind us. That's why it's gonna kill me.
I can't see him.
Oh my god.
Dude, he's getting
Fuck
closer.
that shit. Yeah.
Oh god, he got me!
Oh my god, look at Delirious running! Oh my god, I just spit on my fucking monitor. That was disgusting. Look at Delirious just
That was the
fucking
last
hightailing his
one.
asshole
That
down.
was the fucking
Look
last
at him run! He's so scared.
Oh god, he's still behind me. He's still back there.
What's up, bitch?
You fucking blue bastards.
Nice and bright in here.
Look at Delirious, look at Delirious.
Oh my
Stay
god,
right behind him.
fuck this room! Alright, I'm going this way. Fuck. This is the way I wanted to go last time.
I love spectating. Because Delirious is just scared shitless.
Yeah, it's so funny. He's just like on his own right now.
That's alright.
With two fucking blue walking splooges behind
Let
him.
me see, let's see. You fuckers. Move! I'm scared.
This game is amazing. This game is
In this
amazing.
mode? You could see him in spectating mode?
No, I'm lying to him.
Okay.
Just
Uh,
freak him out.
I don't think he's behind us. Okay,
Evan,
good.
Evan, let's
He's
get
not-
really quiet. Evan, let's get really quiet.
He's...
Alright.
Fucking freak him out.
You fuckers. Don't go there! I can't find the shit because this bastard keeps fucking cutting me off. Oh god, he's on a... he's behind a pillar.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh my god, he's...
Oh,
You guys are assholes.
Delirious.
Alright, where's he at? I bet you Fourzer0 ain't even dead because we haven't seen his ghost or anything. Why do I keep getting in this fucking room? Alright, fuck it. I'm all out running. Just run as fast as I
To
can.
your left.
Oh, he's not. He's not to my left. He's not in this room. He is not in this room at all.
He's in this room.
Nope. Fuck, I'm away, you
He's
cobweb,
following
bitch.
You. He's in here now.
Oh, fuck it. I'm so scared. Y'all need to shut the fuck up.
Alright, okay, we will then. We'll shut the fuck up.
Alright, did we get one that was in here? We didn't get one that was in here.
I don't know, because I'm a ghost.
I don't remember if we... Get the fuck away from me, you blue bitch! Alright. I don't think there's one in here.
Fourzer0's
Is
back.
that Fourzer0? Fourzer0, are you dead?
I've been dead for like 30 minutes.
The ghost. The ghost.
Where you at, like, running around, you know?
I'm fucking looking at the floor.
I mean, it scared the shit out of me if we randomly come up on his ghost. Just chilling.
I woke up my roommate apparently.
Alright, well we're all gonna be quiet now.
This is fucking retarded shit. I can't find anything. I've already got one in there.
I hope you die. Shut up.
Get Delirious' face.
He's behind the pillar right there. He's right behind. He's fucking behind the pillar. Oh, he's gone. Where'd he go? Where the fuck did he go?
BAM! Behind you, bitch.
He was right here, like
Scared the
right
shit out
where
of
I'm
me.
standing. That was scary.
I hope he rapes you, fucker.
Like out of nowhere. Gotcha, bitch!
Delirious, hurry up and fucking die.
I can't help it. He's. Where's he at? This is a fucking dead end. Are you serious? I swear.
Yeah, I dare you to turn around.
If he was right there, I would have been so
Look
scared
at
if
the
he was right
Delirious
there.
runs. You can just totally tell when he's in panic mode. He just starts fucking bolt off power walking.
I don't like this game.
Oh,
Why did I
Delirious
pay
is
$1 for
an
this?
older version of Christopher Walken.
I don't care. Why did I pay for this?
oh, you behind this? Oh, you behind this motherfucker? Huh? Are you behind it? I think he's behind
My
here.
eyes
I
are
think
closed.
he's right here.
I don't want to see this. I don't want to see
What
this.
the
I don't
fuck?
wanna
He
see
was standing right here. Where'd he go?
Look at that Evan walking around in his fucking ghost form. Looks goofy.
I think he's running from
Evan,
me.
let's moonwalk together.
He's running from me, guys. He's running from me. I feel like
Delirious, will you hurry up and fucking die?
Tell him that I'm trying to get the fucking tapes.
Trying to get the fucking
So
tape.
much for a fucking video you can make out of this. What the hell?
I'm gonna cut out the funny parts.
I'm gonna climb out this fucking window and say fuck you guys. God damn it.
Jumping.
I can't do it.
Delirious,
Come and
shut
get
off
me.
your flashlight, no balls.
Come. Alright. Come and get me, motherfucker. You won't come and get me. I'm right here,
Look at him
bitch.
moonwalking,
I'm right-
moonwalking and calling him out at the same time.
I'm right here, motherfucker. Can I run backwards? Oh no.
Look at him.
Alright.
Oh, turn the flashlight on. What a fucking pussy.
I'm blinking it. I'm blinking it. I'll tell him I come in peace.
Find a
Fuck this
fucking
game.
tape.
I haven't found a
Fucking
tape.
over this game.
There he is. Come here, motherfucker. Come here,
What the fuck?
Oh, he
just
fucking killed
happened?
you. We got 5 tapes.
25
Fuck
minutes.
this game.
Oh, shit.
I'm so
In
done
memory
with
of.
this game.
In memory of Fourzer0seven. Scott made it
this
10
game.
minutes in.
I'm so done with this game.
You didn't even
swear
find
to
any
God.
tapes.
I swear to God, if it jump scares me at the end of this,
I walked the
credits, I'm gonna
longest
shit my
distance.
pants.
How? How does that make any sense?
It's
How did
really
you know
the
how many
first
times
place.
we screamed?
What the fuck?
I'm closing my eyes. I'm closing my eyes. I can't look
How
at this
does
game
it
anymore.
know?
I
I
can't
don't-
do it. Shut up. I don't know. I don't know. I
Replay.
can't do
This is
it.
the replay. Look at our fucking path that we
Oh
made.
my god, this
I
is gonna be
don't wanna
retarded.
see
Watch how many circles. Watch
There's
how
where
many
Scotty
circles.
died. There's where I died.
I'm scared shitless right now. I'm
Oh wait,
scared.
no,
I
those
don't
are
wanna
the
watch
pieces.
This. I don't want to watch
There's where me and
this.
Vanoss died, and there's where Delirious died, right?
So there's
No,
like a
that's
whole
where I
other.
just died. I just died there.
You just died there.
Those are when we see the guy.
Oh, God.
I don't want to see it. 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 I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Don't show it. Don't show it. My eyes are closed. I can't see anything.
Look at all the retarded times we went the same way like 10 times.
Look at this giant circle.
Whoa!
Why did I just
Look
move?
at Scotty.
Why did I just move? This doesn't make any
How come
sense.
me and
there's a
Vanoss
ghost.
aren't dead yet?
But, no, you're dead. Is that a ghost path?
No,
It's
he's
blue.
not dead yet. He's not
Oh yeah,
dead yet.
we are both dead, Vanoss. We're
There you
following
go,
him.
that's where it
There's
ended.
where he died.
Yeah.
White noise.
I'm delirious out of my mind. I'm delirious out of my mind. I'm delirious out of my mind. Cause I'm delirious out of my mind. I'm delirious out of my mind. I'm delirious out of my mind. I'm delirious out of my mind.